Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let us see how to solve the 18th question in exercise 5.3. Now, let us look at the question. A spiral is made up of successive semicircles with centers alternatively at A and B, starting with the center at A of radii 0.5 centimeters, 1 centimeter, 1.5 centimeters, 2 centimeters, and as shown in the figure. What is the total length of such spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles? Take pi is equal to 22 by 7. They've also given to us the length of successive semicircles with centers A, B, A and B respectively. So the length of semicircles is L1. If let's assume L1, L2, L3, then they are going to be at A, B alternatively. So let's try to convert what is given to us as an AP. So in order to understand that, let's write down the max formula. Length of generally a semicircle is going to be equal to pi r. Why? Because 2 pi r is the circumference. We are doing a semicircle. So the length of the semicircle is going to be pi r. So let's calculate the circumference of the first semicircle. So circumference of first semicircle is going to be equal to pi into 0.5 because that was given to us as the length. So the second semicircle is going to be pi into 1. The third is going to be pi into 1.5 and so on. And if you least reach the 13th semicircle, it is going to be pi into 6.5. How do we arrive at? This length is going to be half of the even number terms. So like that, you can keep on generating 0.5, 1, 1.5. So it is skip counted by half. So you reach 13th, you get 6.5. Now the series is going to look at us like pi into 0.5, comma pi into 1, pi into 1.5, pi into 2, and so on up till pi into 6.5. So I'm going to take pi as a common term outside so that it gets converted as an AP. So let's take the pi outside. The series will become 0.5, 1, 1.5 and so on up till 6.5. Now you see this section looks like an AP. So let's assume this is going to be the length. If we find out the sum of this length, all we need to do is multiply by pi to get the overall length of the spiral. So now let's apply the formula for AP. So essentially we are going to calculate the Sn. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into, we are going to use the formula A plus L. Okay, so in this case n is 13 because there are 13 terms. So 13 divided by 2, A is 0.5 and L is the last term. So this is going to be equal to 6.5. So 6.5 plus 5 is 7. So 13 by 2 into 7 is going to be the Sn value. So I'm converting it for now. So 13 into 7 by 2 is 91 by 2. You can leave it as 91 by 2 or convert it into decimal as 45.5. Now this is not giving us the length of the spiral. What is the length? The length is going to be this value 45.5 into pi. So in that case 22 by 7 into, instead of putting 45.5, I'm going to put this in the decimal form so that it is easy for me to strike out. So this is going to be 1 times, this is 11 times, this is 1 times, this is 13 times. So 13 into 11, it is 143. All these measurements were given in centimeters. So the length is going to be 143 centimeter. The length of the spiral, total spiral for 13 terms is 143. In the next video, we will see how to solve the 19th question in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.